All right, good morning. 2021 GMC Sierra AT4, 6.2 liter, about a year old. And I got a problem with the fuel tank here. Let me show you what's going on. I just noticed this. And I don't know how to fix this or if this is a warranty item or whatever. You know how you stick the nozzle right in here? It's a capless type deal. But there's a little flapper valve right here that came off. It's a spring load right here, but I have no idea how to get this doohickey back on there or just pull this thing up, because there's another valve, if you can see that way deep down in there, that closes off. You have to push in right there. There's a little spring valve right there. So I don't even know if you even need this second one or not. You tell me. I've never seen this before. I'm also curious if this whole thing comes off, we can just replace this module or this piece right here, like an easy fix. But if you have any experience with this, I'd sure like to know your thoughts on this. This is gasoline, it's not diesel. So, very strange, very strange. Other than that, it's perfect. And thankfully, I got a full tank of gas. I think I can still get a gas nozzle in there. But this damn thing, I just want to rip this whole thing out right here. So you can probably still get a gasoline in there, or maybe you have to use a funnel and then put the nozzle into the funnel to get gasoline into the thing. But yeah, what a kind of a lousy design. Look at that. Spring load right there. All right, if you have any thoughts, let me know. I don't want to have truck problems in the wintertime, if you know what I mean. All right, thanks for watching. Other than that, truck's running great. We'll see you next time.